I got this old Zenith, and it's got some scratches. And I tried to tape it and paint it, and you can see there that the matte finish, the black I used, doesn't match really at all. So I'm going to try to mask off the lettering, and then paint the whole thing the same color black. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I got it taped off pretty good, and I'm going to take a little bit of Carmex, I don't know if you can see that, Carmex, and just put a little bit on the raised lettering in hopes of keeping the paint from sticking to the lettering. And then after it dries really good, I'll clean it off, and it should look pretty good. Alright, so I put just a little bit on my finger, not a ton, but just enough to get on the lettering. So let's see how that works. So just to show you, all I'm doing is just lightly tapping along on the top of the lettering. I don't really want to rub it, because then it might get on the actual where I'm trying to get the paint to stick. So alright, so I did take some steel wool. Took some steel wool to try to, get a surface that the paint will stick to before I applied the Carmex. Maybe you can use Vaseline or anything similar, but I'm going to put just a light coat on to something for the paint to stick to. I shook it up a little bit, so let's see if that works a little bit better. Give that a little bit to dry. Let's come back and see what it looks like. So I can just get some of this out. Turned out pretty good. Cool little radio.